Hey guys, let's eat. Hey guys, let's eat. Hi guys, how are you guys? What are you guys up to? What are you guys having? Today is an amazing day, guys. So we guess what we have today. I'm so excited for this. But if this is your first time viewing one of my booming and banging videos and you want to be part of this amazing family, all you have to do is subscribe, guys. Now look what we have today, guys. So I always wanted to try these noodles. I was really going and order it on Amazon, but our local supermarket have it. So this is curry noodles, guys. It have 5 packs in here and you pay like $72 for it. Basically this is 5 packs in here. It is actually they didn't say 2 times spicy or anything like that, but they say it's flaming hot noodles, flaming hot curry noodles by Samyang. This is some hot stuff, guys, because when I was emptying the packets of curry in this, it was hot. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, it was hot. But fastness again, I see all the mukbangers is trying it, actually doing it and having it normal like a cup of tea. So I am gonna have it today. Also, we have some fried carite fish in hot Cheetos, and we have a ranch dip. Also, we are drinking Minute Maid grape. So yeah, so let's just pray. Let me get this out of the way. Heavenly Father, please bless my subscribers, my viewers, nourish my body. It's about to receive this food. Dear blessed God, let make me live. So sustain the ones who don't have. Amen. Amen, guys. Amen. 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 So let's just dive into this video. I'm gonna smell it. Wow, wow, wow. Woo, woo. I feel dizzy with that one. I'm gonna drink some juice. Guys, you know I'm scared because you know I've been trying these noodles and they are I don't know what to say. I never had this one before and it have 4 different flavors. This is one. So we're trying the other 3 another time. Guys, so if the tripod shakes up, that's the cat. So let's just take one today. Here we go. Here we go. It looks so pretty. Woohoo! This is some hot stuff, guys. This noodles is hot. The curry flavor is good. It's really, really tasty. It's yummy. But the pepper is overpowering, guys. It's hot. Let's see if we can just smash up these 5 packs. This is hot. God, my chopsticks are not shaking. Fast it hot. Ooh, this is some hot fucking noodles, guys. Sorry, guys. This this is some hot ass noodles, guys. I took custody. God, Jesus Christ. Alright, guys, so this is a CHEETOS CARITE fried fish. Let's have some of that. Wow, that's some hot stuff. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Guys, I'm starting to sweat under my eyes. There you go. Guys, this noodles is really hot. I think it's worse than 2 times spicy. But the flavor is good, so it have you wanting that, but has a lot of bone. Oh Lord. Guys, I'm slowing down. It's so hot. These flies, the doors is open. Ooh, it is so hot. Ooh. I feel like a dragon. There's some hot stuff. Excuse me. Guys, like I lost the balance of my fingers, all kind of thing. What's it hot? Oh shucks, hold on. What's going on here? It's so hot. So you get some packets of curry, the spicy stuff, and then you get a packet of some other kind of veggie. Well, I don't know. I shouldn't have never used all. Because guys, that's hot. Look at this one, go big. Okay, guys, after drink. That is hot. Some hot stuff. Guys, it's good, but it's hot. The flavor have it going back, but it's hot. Woo! Wow. They never saying what kind of pepper it is. Oh, they don't want to tell you. Whoa. This is hot. It's worth the money, guys, but if you're not a spice person, please don't buy that. I'm telling you, it's like fire. It's like fire noodles. It's like, if you don't cuss, you will cuss. I'm telling you. If you're not a cusser, you will start to cuss eating these noodles. Oh. Woo! I had to do that, guys. I had to do it. I guess just ball along this whole studio. Somebody feels something happening to me. I just feeling to ball it down because Jesus Christ. I'm just gonna have one more bite, guys. One more bite. I can eat this noodles, guys, because you know I can eat, but so hot. Oh my God, you can imagine my bottom after this meal. It's really flaming and be on fire. Oh, might be making all these songs when I go to the washroom. Mm. 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 Guys, I'm so greedy. I should just do 2 packs, not 5. Oh, look at this piece. It was so hot, guys. I can't even eat fish. It's just really hot. I always wanted to try it because I see so much people doing it. Also eating large amounts of it. It's like, it can't be that bad. But I'm telling you, it's not just that bad. It's bad. It's bad. Ah. Oh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Guys, that's noodles. Oh my god. I have a cheesecake here. Hold on, guys. And I remember. Okay. So this is it. You know I had to have peace. I'm greedy. You know this. You know I'm greedy, guys. Come on. Let's mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. The chocolate is strong in the cheesecake. Mm. It's working. Mm-mm. Mm. I love cheesecake. It looks so pretty. Mm. Mm. Oh my god, chocolate and pepper. My god. And milk. I hope I do a video tomorrow, guys. If I don't do a video tomorrow, please God. Well, let me tell you guys, I was doomed. This noodle dealt with me. After the end of this video, guys, I need some ice. I need some ice cream. I need some kind of something. Woo, woo, woo. Where that sun come from? Guys, watch at this. I'm telling you, the fire noodle demons. Hold on. What shit I do when I look in any bottle? First I get dumb. Guys, listen to me. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Also leave a thumbs up after viewing each and every one of my videos. I love you guys to the moon and back, but I need to go. Bye, guys.